Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, I'm Joseph Lin, and it's time for a Hakka lesson on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alex 彭。
你好，大家好. And today, let's talk about something we talked about last month. We taught you how to say pump the gas, go to a gas station, what type of gas you want. And this month, let's teach you something even more advanced because a lot of people are driving and you have to get to that gas station at one point in time. 今天呢，我们真的就来加油 Part 2, 加油, that's pumping gas.What I heard recently in Taiwan, which is a service that is available in the US for a long, long time, and probably in different countries all over the world, is the self-service pump. 其实最近台湾好像才开始有这个所谓的自助加油站，对不对？
没错。
因为这个通常我们去加油站都已经习惯是有这个工读生呢在这边工作人员帮你加油这样子。其实在国外这个反而是很高级的服务，你知道吗？对啊，大部分的人其实去加油站在国外的时候都是
自己来，
自己来。安怎讲？
自己来
的，
自己来加油。
自己来的对吧？
没错。
That means serving yourself, okay? So if you want to go to a self-service aisle or a self-service gas pump, you go to the 自助加油站。
吃醋加油站。
不吃醋啊？为什么要吃醋？
自助啊。
吃
醋加油站。
吃醋是自助哦。
对。
哦，就加油添醋那样子，是不是？
加油
添醋，对，想到加油就要添醋，所以吃醋
就要吃醋，
人家就记得了耶。
吃醋加油站。
吃醋加油站。吃醋 actually sounds like I'm very jealous, but it's not. It means self-service in Hakka. 吃醋加油站。All right? And while you're pumping gas at the gas station, we want to remind you that you should turn off your cell phone because there has been cases in the past where it actually initiated a spark and it caused an accident. And so now it's a common practice to turn your cell phone off. 其实很多时候我们会忘记去加油站呢，就像去看电影一样，应该把它关机，对不对？关机怎么说？
关机。
关机 that means turn off your cell phone. 然后离开了加油站之后呢，你就可以开机了。开机。
开机
So that's turning on your cell phone. 开机。那如果不关机的话，真的很危险。我们顺便教一下大家危险怎么说。
危险。
有病，危险。
Yeah.
Oh, I got it pretty well because I have a cold right now. Well, that's all the time we have for today's Hakka lesson. I'm Joseph Lin.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张伟了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.